So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find a real estate agent here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go to the top bar here to where it says real estate agents. And then the first option right below is find an agent. Go ahead and press on that. Now, once you're on the agent page right here, you can go ahead and search up your area and then go ahead and press on search. And what you're going to be seeing here is a bunch of different real estate agents that are maybe in this area that could potentially help you out in regards to the buying and selling process. So, for example, if you wanted to go to New York City right here. You can go ahead and search up a bunch of different agents within New York. You can also go ahead and search up your areas. So if you wanted to go to Chicago, for instance, Chicago, you can view a bunch of different agents this way that are maybe have the word Chicago in them, as well as your area. So it's a pretty cool tool in regards to searching for a real estate agency, therefore you can hire an agent from that to go with you with the home buying or selling process. So very simple tool, very straightforward. But this is how to find a real estate agent on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.